Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found your TradingView watchlist getting cluttered with way too many stocks, currencies, or assets you're not actively following, today's tutorial is going to help you out. I'll show you step by step exactly how to clear your TradingView watchlist so your workspace feels fresh and organized. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start with a clean slate and manage your lists with total confidence. Let's dive right in. So first things first, let's head over to TradingView. Make sure you're logged into your account because that's the only way you'll be able to access and edit your watch lists. I've found that starting with a clear workspace helps me focus on the assets that matter most to me, whether I'm tracking stocks, crypto, or Forex. So go ahead and open TradingView on your preferred browser. Take a moment to load it up and don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Sometimes TradingView needs to warm up, especially if you haven't used it in a while. Okay, now look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a bunch of options here, but what you want to do is click on Products. It's usually near the top left of your screen. Clicking on Products opens up a menu with all the tools and features that TradingView offers. This step is kind of like opening your toolbox before you start tinkering. It gives you access to all those helpful shortcuts for analysis or portfolio management. Next up, find Watchlist in the drop-down menu. Once you locate it, hover over or click to expand the watchlist panel. You'll notice a drop-down arrow next to that watchlist. That little arrow is your gateway to managing the list itself. It lets you edit, sort, and perform actions like clearing the watchlist. So don't rush here, move your cursor over to the drop-down arrow and click on it. It might feel like a small thing, but this action opens up a world of customization. Now within this expanded menu, look for the option that says Clear List. Selecting this will erase every asset currently in your watchlist. Before you make the leap, let me reassure you. TradingView's designers put in a safety check for this part because nobody wants to accidentally delete their whole list without meaning to. So when you click Clear List, TradingView will prompt you and ask if you're absolutely sure you want to proceed. This is like when you declutter your closet and you get that moment of hesitation. Do I really want to toss all this out? But if you're sure, just go ahead and click Yes. And that's it, your watch list will now be completely empty. You can start adding new symbols or keep it clean if you want to focus your analysis for the day. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by too many tickers, this refresh can actually make your technical analysis simpler and more productive. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the list to clear, sometimes the page needs to update. So there you have it, a quick but thorough guide to clearing your TradingView watchlist. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see a video about another TradingView feature. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials to help you master your trading toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.